हाँ जी दोस्तों, so after exams I received many messages from the student. Sir, we have written everything correct. सब कुछ सही लिखा था. Still we didn't got the marks. We have not received the marks. What's the reason behind it? हमने सब कुछ अच्छा लिखा, सब कुछ सही लिखा. When we have not got the marks, क्या reason है कि हमको फिर भी marks ना मिले? So sir, that's what we in today class what we will discuss about this thing only, that how ICI a marking pattern actually work, how ICI actually allot the marks. So sir, before that let me introduce myself once again. Myself CA Hemant Somani. I have scored all India rank 46th in CA final examination, as well as at our time अभी शायद आपके you have 6 papers only. At our time there were 8 papers. Okay. So I have, along with AIR 46, I have scored exemption in 7 paper out of 8 paper, 7 paper out of 8 paper, including all the 3 theory paper. 3 theory paper थे, उनमें भी exemption थी मेरे. बस एक costing के अंदर नहीं थी, एक SCMP के अंदर नहीं थी, उसमें कुछ कचरा हो गया था मेरा, ठीक है ना. SCMP one costing was other than costing, I had exemption in all the 7 paper, including all theories and practical paper also. Okay, sir, how is it possible? अब बच्चे पूछते हैं सर कैसे आ सकती है साथ में पेपर? ऑल इंडिया रैंक इज ओके, बट हाउ exemption 7 पेपर में कैसे exemption आ सकती है? So let's discuss this. So the main, what was my crux of the examination? So we all have the academic knowledge. Academic knowledge सबकी होती है. Okay. Further, first of all, this class, this master class will be equally useful for English student, English my South friends, as well as Hindi students, means North friend also. ये दोनों के लिए रहेगा. Okay. So this will be equally useful for English as well as Hindi students. So my main crux during my exam was, see, academics part is okay, means we for scoring good marks of course we need academics marks, but academic होने के बाद भी बच्चों को marks नहीं मिल पाते कुछ चीजों के. Still you have a good academic knowledge, still you do not got the marks. The reason behind it, ICI checking and ICI marking pattern, students generally don't know how to present the answer in exam. Student को पता ही नहीं होता exams में answer कैसे present करना है. Main reason behind it, the game I say generally play is, there are two type of solution paper. One is model solution and one is suggested answer. हाँ जी, when you will have the question paper ना, for exam का paper जो होता है question paper, after the question paper ICI release one suggested answer on BOS portal, but examiner do not check the notebooks using this suggested answer. Examiner is suggested answer जो BOS portal पे which are available publicly, ICI examiner इससे copy check नहीं करता है. They do not check the notebook from this suggested answer. They have one different solution paper that is known as model solution. I don't know whether few of the people may be already aware of this. They have one model solution, उनके हाथ में एक model solution होता है which ICI gives only to the examiner. ICI only examiner को देता है ये model solution. And the model, and with the help of this model solution, examiner evaluate our notebooks. They do not evaluate using suggested answer. Sir, दोनों different होते हैं क्या? Both are different or not? See, yes, they are different, as well as no, they are not different. Reason behind it, there are few things which they have extra or additional things in suggested answer, in model solution, which ICI do not give in the suggested answer. Suggested answer में some things are limited, means वहाँ पे like the how I say allot the marks for which paragraph, how much marks will be allotted, कौन से paragraph के लिए कितने marks मिलेंगे, for which thing, which sentence, which numerical figures you will get the marks, वो सब suggested answer में नहीं होता किस चीज के आपको marks मिलेंगे. All the things are available in the model solution. In model solution you will have specific things, आपको specific लिखा हुआ होगा that if student will write this line then he will get 1 marks, if student will write this line he will get 2 marks, if student will find this figure XYZ figure he will get 1 marks, for this figure he will get 2 marks, for this working note he will get XYZ marks. उसको पूरी specific all the instruction related to marking pattern. Even ICI model solution have bold and highlighted things. उसको ICI का जो model solution होता है ना, जो that is only with the examiner, they have bold and highlighted thing. उनको bold और highlight करके देते हैं that if student will write this keyword then you have to allot the marks, then you will have to allot the marks. ICI generally give instruction to the examiner that if student have written this keyword, अगर उसने ये keyword लिखा है then you have to give the marks. वो सब These all the things are available in model solution only, not suggested answer. And there are many other instructions which ICA generally gives to the examiner in model solution. So we will, in the master class, we will discuss these things only. So ये कैसे अलग होता है मॉडल सॉल्यूशन सजेस्टेड आंसर. सो आई विल गिव सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस मॉडल सॉल्यूशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल पब्लिकली, नॉट अवेलेबल पब्लिकली. तो सर हाउ डू यू गेट दिस, आपको कैसे मिला? सी this model solution is available with only with the examiner, and examiner are generally practicing chartered accountants. So I have few practicing chartered accountants in my touch who are also examiner or evaluator of notebooks, wo examiner bhi ICAI ke. So I took those model solutions from them. So that's why I will show you how model solution exactly work. I will provide you this model solution PDFs also, like how the model solution actually work, how is the ICAI model solution and all, how ICAI allot the marks and all the things. I will explain you all the things. ये सब मैं तुमको बताऊंगा. But the thing is, two things. First one, ICAI model solution is confidential. Confidential होता है, ICAI do not release publicly, ICAI publicly नहीं देता है. So I will not share you the exact PDF जो ICAI ने, जो ICAI की PDF होती है ना, ICAI exact model solution, I will not share you that. So that's why to comply the confidentiality also, I have converted that PDF, means ICAI model solution only, into my format. Trust me, same चीज है, they both are same things, but just to comply with the confidentiality I have converted them into my format so that वो मेरा format है. Now it's not a ICAI format, exactly same ही. अब समझो, try to understand, they both are same, but I will teach you and share you this PDF, okay, which is in my format. This will be for both, all theory subject, practical subject, for both. In theory subjects, I will share you the papers. In papers, I will share you some exam, means some number of questions. Not, of course, not whole, means there are many type of papers. Now, अब सारे papers कैसे share करूँ? Means that is not possible. So I will share you all the type of questions. All the type of questions I have summarized from all the type of model solutions. Yes, this question was new, this type we have covered, this type we have covered. So हर type के मैं cover उठा लूँगा, हर type के question. So all the type of questions, sample questions उठा लिए, सब में से from all model solution we have took, I have took some model solution, some sample question from all the model questions, and उसका how I say allot the marks for those models. So some sample questions of theory subjects, like currently it's audit as well as Companies Act, law, professional ethics. And for the practical subject, CFS question, financial instrument question for financial reporting, SFM, for SFM also we have to forex question, derivative questions, and for DT, IDT, PGBP question, total income question, GST question, few question of all the subject, few questions of all the subject. तो वो उससे I will teach you how I say allot the marks, and that PDF I will also share with you. That's exactly ICAI PDF only. वो मेरा नहीं है, even it's ICAI PDF only. Okay, so that will be. So in this master class, we will cover for first one class will be for theory subjects marking pattern, then practical subject marking pattern, then some my tips how to present the paper, then my tips will be, फिर मेरा कुछ रहेगा, मतलब मेरी एडिशनल टिप्स हाउ टू प्रेजेंट द पेपर्स, हाउ सम स्पेशल एग्जाम हैक्स, मतलब जो मेरे थ्रू जो मेरे को लगता है वो, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट द पेपर एंड ऑल द थिंग्स. एंड देन लास्ट वन इज कंपैरिजन ऑफ सर्टिफाइड ICAI नोटबुक्स. जो कंपैरिजन करेंगे फॉर द टू स्टूडेंट्स, वन इज रैंकर and one is non-ranker. That both the students have written the same things or different things. So how rankers have presented the notebook, how ranker have wrote in the exam, write in the exams. तो आपको वो exams के पता पड़ेगा notebook से कि ranker कैसे लिखता है, non-ranker कैसे लिखता है. And ICAI gave him 5 marks, and ICAI gave him the same, for the same answer ICAI gave him 2 marks only. So what was the difference? क्या difference था? तो वो certified notebooks अपन दोनों की compare करेंगे. ICAI evaluated certified notebooks only, of course. So these all will be under approximately, I will try to reduce as much as possible because I knew your time is also important. So अपन को बहुत कम hour में complete करना है. So most probably within 1.5 hour or maximum between 1 to 2 hour, but 1.5 hour I can assume currently. So between 1 to 2 hour, 1.5 hour we will complete each and everything. Okay, so मैं सब कुछ आपको 1.5 hour के अंदर कर दूंगा. This class will be available in English as well as Hindi. In both the mode it will be available. I will give you the link in description box. Okay, description box. Further, this is master class. It took efforts, keys, tried to arrange all the model solution, to convert them into my format and the things. So I will charge only one nominal amount, and the main reason of it took efforts. Of course, I have to pay to my staff also, and the thing is took means efforts लगते हैं, ठीक है ना. But the second thing, if I will give anything for free, student will generally do not value the things. Okay, that is so that's why don't worry. We will charge some nominal amount for few days, starting few 1-2 days maximum or few hours. It depends. आप जैसे ये whenever you are seeing the video, try to purchase it instantly, because for few time I will keep nominal price. उसके बाद then we will increase the price. For the few time, rupees 279 only for few hours or few days, 1-2 days maximum or few hours. Now it will depend on my mood कितने टाइम तक इसको रखना है. That's very nominal price, of course. So the link I will give in the description box. Another thing, if a student is already aware, like the sir, we are already know how to write the paper in exam, how to present the things, how I say allot the marks, like the step-wise marking, how I say give to this marks, this marks, this marks to this marks to this, for working note, for balance sheet, how much is marks are there, for working note, how much marks are there. If a student is already aware of it, do not purchase this class. भाई अगर आपको already पता है ना, अब class करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Of course, how to present the paper, how I say allot the marks, step-wise marking, सब कुछ. If you are already aware of it, then means being genuine now, means if you already aware of all the things, then there is no need to purchase the class. But जिनको नहीं पता है, if the people are not know, means those students who don't know, then it is must class, must and must class to avail, because आपको सब कुछ आता भी होगा. You already know how to means academic knowledge and each and everything, you already are aware of it. But if you are not able to present that academic knowledge into your paper, आप उसको पेपर में नहीं उतार पाए ना, आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. एंड मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट के साथ यही होता है. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम ओनली, एंड मैक्सिमम दैट्स व्हाई द सीए स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट आर लो. उनको आता है, मींस द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज वी हैव रोट एवरीथिंग करेक्टली, हमने सब कुछ सही लिखा था, स्टिल वी हैव नॉट गॉट द मार्क्स. सो दैट्स द मेन रीजन आई हैव ब्रॉट दिस क्लासेस. ओके, so if you already know how to present answer, do not go for this class. If no, then must avail and go for this class. Rupees 279, the link is given in the description box, which is of few period. If the price is showing higher for a few hours also, then go to my Telegram channel. In Telegram channel, I will provide a coupon code. वहां से coupon code आपको मिल जाएगा. From this coupon code, you can present it, you can buy it at 279 final net price for few hours only. Okay, then best of luck for the exams.